Oh yeah, you like filming buses, don't you? He's going into buses. Right, there's me and Jake are slightly older. You can't go as far though, okay? That's about... I'll go chase it. I'll go chase it right up the road. There she is again. This just shows I've got the route right. Four 8011. It hasn't. It went round and up Green Close and then back up. Yeah, it does a loop and then go round. It's the same road right down there. It goes a huge loop.
That was so quick.
I know, because it's only like a 2-minute drive round that loop.
Wow.
Oh, it's... 37030. We're at 63 ZWA. It's okay if I film you? Sorry for the camera. Cheers. Seagull. Four 8179 dispatch. 15605. GX10 HBP. See? Hello. Can I come and have a look once you've unloaded? Very quickly.
Just step out the way a second, mate.
Yeah.
Hey, mate.
Are you staying on all day, are you?
I am staying on for a little bit, yeah. You
Yeah.
right?
This bus won't go on the 57. This bus goes...
No, this is going to Sidmouth out. Oh, now it is.
Sidmouth already?
Yeah, Sidmouth, innit? Yeah, Sidmouth.
Already?
You doing this on YouTube, are you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Oh, my friend's going to...
Oh, it's okay.
605 from 99. 605, here you go.
It is 15.
Oh, thank you.
15605. Can I honk the horn, please?
No.
Ah. Can I have a look around the cab?
No.
Can I have a fast ticket?
What, a concession ticket?
Yeah, concession one.
I'm putting you off a zero fare.
Yeah. Zero fare concession.
Just to
So then
clarify,
my friend also has one from this bus then.
just to clarify, Sally, you can't actually ever beep the horn in the car in the cab. So whoever does that is actually going to get yourself in trouble. So be careful, okay?
Oh yeah. So whoever does
But,
that...
I mean, he can probably beep the horn for you. He doesn't have a problem. Like, but I mean, in theory, like, you know, I mean, he shouldn't be doing it. What I'm trying to say, you know. That's what I'm trying to say, you know.
Yeah. It's alright if I film your face?
If you want to, yeah, go on.
Yeah. Yeah, just...
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate. Yeah.
Oh. So what's your name?
Ross.
Hello, Ross.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
You okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you, mate.
Do you have YouTube?
I have subscribed to your channel. Yes.
Yeah. Do you have a channel of your own?
Not at the moment, no. But I am subscribed to you.
Yeah.
All right, mate. Take care,
Well,
mate.
thank you, Ross.
Take care.
And what's your name?
Driver.
Just driver. Yeah. Is it alright if you honk the horn when you depart, please?
I'm afraid not, mate. Sorry.
Probably because of where your eyes and sit. I'm hoping my friend will be able to have a... This is 15605. Can you flash your lights at least? He's obviously one of those drivers. 99, he's forgotten to taste. 15605 GX10 HBP. Josh, she was actually on Park and Ride a few weeks ago now. She says she 157. Here we go. The camera's up. Oh my god! Vision's going insane. Oh my god, look! Biggest lock ever! The drone's going insane over your head! Wanna go on the bus? Look behind you, Josh! Look behind you, pigeon! Bird's going insane! White dashboard, green coach. Green line. That's why it's green, because it's a green line coach. Beep, 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 beep. Me and my pigeons. Me and my seagull, tee hee wee hee. 15605, GX10 HBP. We've got no MMCs today. No environment. Oh my! Pigeons are going insane. Tee hee wee hee. 37033. Long time seeing you. Long time seeing you. What bus are you waiting for? What bus are you waiting for? Oh. We go have a look on. Oh! 36036. Woo! Bah! Bah! Be attempted jump scare. Bah! Nope. We might be John T. He me here. Don't run. Don't fly into the bus, you dumb things. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Pigeons are very dumb. We are a pigeon, tee hee wee hee. Out the road! Ooh. Oh my god. What? That's it. Away from the road. 37033. Welcome back to Exmouth. Well, not permanently. 36237 alert. We're going to see if I can go roundabout. Bah! Woo! Bah! I didn't get on camera, but my friends did. Pigeon nearly get hit by a bus. No! No! Stupid bird. Next distance. Beep, 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 beep. Indicator. Pigeon! Pigeon, move! Move! Stupid bird. This is the bus we're getting on. We're about to go on, huh? Jacob, quick. Thank you. There's still 2 more coming off. Okay, hold the horn when you leave.
Cheers, mate.
Beep.
Thank you.
They give us 2-tone. Opinion wise, good. So opinion wise, not too bad. They pick up speed quite good. So they are epic. Very good. Not as good as beach ball ones though, they look very different. Look very weird. 37030, YX63 ZWA. Just because I can. Typical. Not expecting that. 37030. What the? Someone's making them go insane. Oh yeah. That's it. They're all coming. Oh my! Oh my god! I'm picking up food in the beaks. Oh my god! He just... Three six two three six. WA11 B racing. 48179. Or is it? It could be a new one. Another new one. I'm gonna check. It looks like that, so the start broke down. Right across the road here. Me go find out who it is. It is her. Why is there a bus collection? 36238 48179 48011. What's going on? 166218. Wasn't loud enough! Oh. One 66218. Hello 48011. Looks like you didn't break down. She was just on a break. What's he doing? Wow. Can I do some tones?
No, better not in the middle.
Wow. Thank you.
That's all right. One set, that's it.
Wow. So we've got one driver that sits, so we've got a conductor that sits to the walls versus the driver that doesn't sit to them. So we've got a conductor, so the conductor doesn't sit to the walls and lets me, well, as the, oh, Jacob! No. Funny enough, the conductor. Hello. The person that working with you let me have a look around the cab. Yeah. Is it alright if I have a look around the cab here? Okay. Yeah, make sure. Can you do a tune? Can you do a tune? Or give us as many tones as you can?
I have a feeling we're going to get quite a lot of tones.
I forgot to go have a look around the inside of the cab. Step inside and actually walk through the cab. Again! Nope. Let's see. 166220. Got a tone. We got 3 tones. What happened to your screen? Oh yeah, tone. 15605 and 15665. Me leave my bag behind. What a lovely. There she is, the new Opta Solar SR. We've shot. We've shot her. Bells are a bit broken. Up here. Seat's also slightly mouldy. Look. Bell doesn't work. Yeah. Thank you. Can you hold when you leave? Please.
Thank you. Tyler.
You okay?
Oh. 48179. Jake.
Did not know that.
By the way, she is very nice to ride on. So good.
Yeah.
She's.
I hate.
There she goes.
We're gonna stop. No, I said. No, we are. I'm saying we are.
15665.
Didn't know it was 15665.
15605. GX10 HBP. I think. Don't often see this many 57s in a row. What? 36237 in the dark. Beep beep. On your horn. Hey, that's the third 57 in a row. What the? We actually could with our day ticket, but my mum's picking us up, which is even nicer. No, we're not catching buses. Guys, but the thing is though, my mum's going to drop us up. That is 48006. I think that might be on 5251. That's 36240. Our new visitor. She appears to have replaced 37030. Wait, is that another bus? It is. Wait, that 48011. Yep, that's all it says OSR. It might be double bus. Well, if any more buses come, there's so many buses entering at once. Yeah, another one still needs entering yet. 36240 made a very bad attempt of trying to enter. I spotted another visitor and realised she can't. Yeah, oh, he's gone. I'll go race 360, It starts off with walking over here. But around this is the legally parked van. It's actually got a much smaller van. Yeah, they're lucky. Now is where the fun starts. We're going to run right up randomly. Oh yeah, boost! Head start! It is safe. That's it! I'm bus spotting! Me can run. Me can film this whole journey. I can chase this one easily! 360. See. We overtaken her again. Three sets. We forgot. Where's 48179? This would have been her this time yesterday. 8011. Don't you dare. No, zero flick. Who is that? Oh my god, I lost it. There we go. Who is it that's just arrived?